Good morning, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis. And this is for today, Sunday through Monday, March 14 to 15, 2021. And this English version is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. We are not able to give you the tropical weather analysis last Friday. We have some important matters to attend to. Now let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today. Beginning yesterday, Saturday, all the way until Monday. So this Sunday we don't have any graph set. We have some rest, but we have a shallow LPA. This was once 92W, which traversed Mindanao and emerges over the southern portion of Sulu Archipelago. Right now it's still over that area, close to central part of Palawan, but it is somewhat quasi-stationary, not moving, and remains a shallow one with 0% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone. And this system is embedded within an active surface trough, bringing some thunderstorms, isolated rain showers, cloudy skies across much of central and southern Philippines, which includes Mindanao, Visayas, Mimaropa, Sulu Archipelago, and also here over the southern portions of the Bicol region. But over the Bicol region, Calabarzon, Metro Manila, northern portions of Mimaropa, eastern Luzon, we have and also the smaller islands of Panatag, Calayan Island Group. We have the weak Amihan, or the northeasterly surface wind flow, being also cloudy skies with some light rain showers, isolated rain showers with lower chances of thunderstorms. But the northeast monsoon is still prevailing across the extreme northernmost parts of Luzon. That includes Batanes and Babuyan Cubab Islands, as well as the northern coastal areas of Ilocos Norte and Cagayan. So expect some windy conditions of up to 55 kph across these areas. Sunny, but there are times that cloudy conditions with passing rain showers will be expected over this area of Luzon. And so far, that's the latest. Nothing to worry about again about this LPA. It is expected to dissipate within the next 24 hours. Some agencies have already removed this system from their surface charts. And so far that's the latest. And as we look at our fast animation, you can see here the scattering of the cloudiness of the surface trough, as well as the weak LPA, which is expected to dissipate within the next 24 hours. And as we look at our zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, seeing it is 12 midnight. We are viewing now the infrared satellite feed. This is the loop since 6 p.m. last night. And as you can see, there are lots of thunderstorms forming across Visayas and Mindanao, and also portions of the Bicol region. We have one here over northern Caraga and northern Mindanao area, and also over the Sulu Archipelago, particularly along Manpulu and Pamalican Island, and also over the western sections of the Visayas, eastern sections of the Bicol region, particularly eastern Albay and northern Sorsogon, and some portions of eastern Visayas, particularly Tacloban, and portions of southern and eastern Samar. So far, that's the thunderstorms generated by the surface trough and the dissipating LPA, which is no longer clear on the satellite. Even if we switch it using the blue image, it's somewhat dissipating as of this time. And let's move forward towards our rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days. As you can see, most of the rainfall are concentrated over the areas of central and northern Palawan, because of the remnants of this shallow LPA, as well as Panay Island and Mindoro, while on the northeastern side of the Philippines, we have some showers and thunderstorms as well, brought about by the weak Amihan, the northeasterly surface wind flow, as well as the northeast monsoon somewhere here, but mostly this is brought about by the northeasterly surface wind flow, or northeasterlies, being some rain showers and thunderstorms across the eastern coastal areas of the Bicol region. That includes Camarines Norte, Partido District of Camarines Sur, Sorsogon, Catanduanes, and the eastern coastal areas of Albay. The rest of the Bicol region will be somewhat cloudy with some light rain showers, passing rain showers, particularly in the afternoon or evening. Don't be surprised because we have a ongoing La Nina, although the La Nina phenomenon will start to decay beginning April, but the effects will continue coinciding with the onset of the rainy or wet season. Okay, so far that's the latest, and as we look at our zoom-in satellite, as we look at our wind.com pressure, rain, and wind forecast from the American model, this afternoon, Sunday, we could still see some possible showers across much of the Sulu Archipelago, Western Visayas, Mindoro, Romblon, Eastern Visayas, Mindanao, and also the Bicol region, where the northeasterly surface wind flow will continue to blow with a small circulation to the east of Catanduanes, but it's not a low pressure per se. So it's just this counterclockwise circulation over that area. And on Monday afternoon, we'd expect thunderstorms to move towards the central and northern parts of Luzon, while the remnants of the shallow LPA continues to move towards to the west of Palawan. And also various portions of Visayas and Mindanao will be expecting some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms on Monday afternoon. So far, that's the latest for the next 2 days, and we will be returning again tomorrow, Monday, for usual MWF Tropical Weather Analysis. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.